There's a videotape in your attic. You haven't touched it in 20 years. The cardboard sleeve is sun-faded, labeled in your mother's handwriting, Sarah's 7th birthday, 1994. You press play. At first, everything feels right. The weathered fence, your father's laugh, distant but warm, the chocolate cake with 7 candles burning in afternoon light. But then, something shifts. There's a moment, brief, almost imperceptible, where you see yourself blowing out the candles. But beside you stands someone you don't recognize. A boy, maybe 9 or 10, wearing a striped shirt. He's smiling at you. You pause the tape, rewind, watch it again. He's still there. You call your mother. She doesn't remember him. You ask your sister. She has no idea. You search photo albums, birthday cards, school yearbooks. Nothing. The boy in the striped shirt never existed, but the video says he did. Welcome to the age of synthetic memory. In laboratories across the world, artificial intelligence has learned to do something we thought impossible: reconstruct the past. Not just restore it, reimagine it. The technology is elegant. Feed an AI damaged footage, scratched, faded, incomplete, and it fills the gaps. It studies millions of home videos from the same era, learns the patterns of how families celebrated, how children moved, how light fell through kitchen windows in 1987. Then it rebuilds what it thinks was there. A missing face becomes whole. Blurred motion gains definition. Silence acquires the rustle of wind, the clatter of plates, the murmur of voices, saying things no microphone ever captured. But here's what they don't tell you. The AI doesn't just restore, it creates. At first, the changes are small. A woman in Ohio receives her digitally restored wedding video. The colors are vibrant now, the whites no longer yellowed, the reds no longer dulled by time. But in one frame, she notices her grandmother is wearing a different dress. Not the navy blue she remembers, a floral pattern instead. She dismisses it. Memory is unreliable after all. A man in Tokyo watches his childhood summers come alive in 4K resolution. The beach, his father teaching him to swim. But the AI has added something. Seagulls circling overhead, their cries perfectly timed to the waves. He has no memory of seagulls, but it feels so real. Because that's the peculiar cruelty of synthetic memory. The AI doesn't just guess randomly, it studies you, your other videos, your photos, your social media. The algorithm learns the texture of your life, who you loved, where you went, what mattered to you, and then it fills the silence with what should have been there. A birthday party gains guests that make statistical sense. A Christmas morning includes gifts the AI knows you would have wanted. A summer afternoon acquires a conversation that sounds exactly like something your father would have said. And you begin to wonder which parts were real. Memory has always been fiction. Neuroscientists have known this for decades. Every time you recall a moment, your brain doesn't replay it like a tape. It reconstructs it. Each memory is assembled from fragments, influenced by emotion, warped by time, contaminated by every retelling. You don't remember your 7th birthday. You remember the last time you remembered it. So, when an AI does the same thing, takes fragments and builds something coherent, is it really different?
Or is it just more honest about what memory has always been? But there's a difference between forgetting and being replaced. You watch the video one more time. The boy in the striped shirt is laughing. He's handing you a gift wrapped in blue paper. The camera holds on his face for 3 seconds, long enough to see the gap in his front teeth, the freckles across his nose, the way his hair falls across his forehead. He looks so real. And part of you begins to wonder, what if he was real? What if you're the one who forgot? What if the AI, with its perfect pattern recognition, its analysis of probability and context, actually remembered something your brain had discarded decades ago? What if the machine knows your childhood better than you do? Because that's the true unsettling question at the heart of synthetic memory. It's not whether the AI is lying. It's whether it might be telling a truth you've lost the ability to verify. Right now, someone is recording a moment. A child blowing out candles, a family dinner, an ordinary afternoon that feels unremarkable. The phone uploads the video automatically to the cloud, to servers, to algorithms that will outlive everyone in the room. In 30 years, that child will open this video, and by then, the AI will have learned even more. It will have studied billions of lives, understood every pattern of human memory, mastered every emotional frequency of the past. And it will offer to improve the footage, enhance the faces, clarify the voices, fill in the gaps where the camera was turned away, add the things that should have been there. The question isn't whether we'll accept these synthetic memories. The question is, will we even know we have?